Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I will introduce to you a new ORT reader. Name is Big Feet. This is the cover page of the reader. On this page you can see three children. On the left side there is a girl named Biff. In the middle there is a boy named Kipper. And on the right side there is a boy named Chip. They all are looking at the big footprints on the ground with surprise. This is page number 1. On this page, Chip is surprised. He is standing in the kitchen and pointing out at the big footprints. He is thinking, how big the footprints are these on the ground? And saying, look at this. And in the next room, Dad is peeping outside from the window and hiding himself too. Let's read this page. Come and look at this. On your screen, you can see page number 2 and 3. On these pages, we can see Chip is standing outside and wondering at the big footprints on the ground. Biff is also standing in the kitchen's door and amazed to see these big footprints. You can see a speech bubble on her head. It means she is thinking about something. Dear students, do you know what is speech bubble? Speech bubble means when we think anything in our mind, it is represented by this speech bubble. And in Biff's speech bubble, there is a big monster. She is thinking that these big footprints might be of a monster. And in the next room, Dad is hiding himself and listening to them silently. Let's read what is written on these pages. Come and look at this. Is it a big monster? Let's explore page number 4 and 5. Now Chip and Biff come out. Both are looking at these footprints with surprise. Kipper was also standing in the kitchen's door. Kipper is also shocked to see such big footprints. And now, in Kipper's speech bubble, there is a big dinosaur. He is thinking that maybe these footprints are of a dinosaur. Dad is still hiding himself in the room and peeping out from the window. Dad is enjoying that he has made them a fool. Let's read these pages. Come and look at this. Is it a big dinosaur? Let's find out what is happening on page number 6 and 7. Now all of them are shocked and want to know that whose big footprints are these. Chip is looking at the back side of the house to find out whose footprints are these. Kipper and Biff are looking at the footprints with surprise. Now Mom comes out from the kitchen and thinking about the giant. Mom is saying, is it a big giant? Floppy is also looking at them from the window and thinking, what is happening there? And in the next room, we can see Dad is still hiding himself. Let's read these pages. Come and look at this. Is it a big giant? This is page number 8 and this page discloses the secret. Dad came out wearing big wooden feet. Kipper is saying, no, it is Dad. And then they laughed and enjoyed. Let's read what is written on this page. No, it is Dad. Okay students, now we have read the reader and it's time for an assignment. Here are some questions for you and you will give me the answer. Question number 1. What is the name of the reader? Answer is Big Feet. What are the names of these children? Answer is Biff, Kipper and Chip. Question number 3. What did Chip see on the ground? Answer is Chip saw big footprints on the ground. Number 4. Where was Dad? Answer is Dad was in the room and hiding himself. Question number 5. What did Biff think? Answer. Biff thought that it is a big monster. Question number 6. What was Kipper thinking? Answer is Kipper was thinking that it is a big dinosaur. Question number 7. What did Mom think? Answer. Mom thought that it is a big giant. Question number 8. What was Floppy doing? Answer is Floppy was peeping outside from the window and thinking that what is happening there. Question number 9. What happened at the end of the story? Answer is Dad came out wearing big wooden feet. They laughed and enjoyed. Okay students, here are some vocabulary words from the reader Big Feet. Number 1, it. Number 2, is. Number 3, feet. Number 4, come. Number 5, and. Number 6, monster. Number 7, dinosaur. Number 8, giant. Number 9, no. Number 10, dad. Number 11, big. Number 12, look. Number 13, at. Number 14, this. I hope you have enjoyed your lesson. Take care and Allah Hafiz.